Meaning of fruit cake.
Fruit cake.
Fruit cake.
Fruit cake.
Fruit cake. Fruit cake is a type of cake that contains chopped or candied fruit, nuts, and spices. It has a dense texture and is generally sweet. Fruit cakes are often served during festive occasions such as Christmas and weddings. The origins of fruitcake can be traced back to ancient Rome, where it was made with pomegranate seeds and raisins. Nowadays, fruitcake variations can be found around the world, with different regions having their take on the recipe. In general, fruitcake is a rich and flavorful dessert that is perfect for sharing with friends and loved ones during special events.